Okay, let's find the product of A plus B and A plus B. Okay, let's find the product of A plus B and A plus B. Now, A plus B into A plus B is nothing but A plus B the whole squared, right? So let's find the what is A plus B the whole squared? It is A plus B into A plus B. Now let's multiply this. So it is the first term A into the second bracket A plus B plus the second term B into the second bracket A plus B. See, write this. A into the second bracket A plus B plus B into the second bracket A plus B, right? Shrikant, you missed the first session, so I think, have you learned this part in school? Yes, no. Okay. Multiplication, I'll tell you after class. So first term A into the second bracket A plus B, second term plus B into the second bracket A plus B. Okay. So multiply A into A squared plus A into B, AB plus B into A, BA, but I will not write BA, I'll write AB because alphabetical order. B into A, BA, but no, write AB plus B squared.
B squared. A squared plus 2AB plus B.
Yeah. So AB plus AB. What is AB plus AB?
2AB.
1AB plus 1AB.
2AB.
AB. 1, 1, 2. Okay. A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. So this is an algebraic identity. A plus B the whole squared is equal to A plus B the whole squared is equal to A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. All right, write down. Quickly write down.
New thing we learned 1 plus 1 plus.
Topic heading, algebraic identities. Write down this quickly in your book.
Ma'am?
Yeah?
Ma'am, is this the formula for every sum in using identities?
Yeah.
Okay.
Completed? Yeah. Next one. A minus B the whole squared is A minus B into A minus B. So now you know what? So I'll just work it for you. A into A minus B into A minus B. A squared minus AB plus B squared. Done? Yes, ma'am. Next one. Yeah, Srijit, how do you multiply this?
Ma'am, A into bracket A minus B close bracket plus B B bracket A minus B close bracket, ma'am.
Very good.
A squared
Yeah, next.
minus AB
Hmm.
plus AB
Hmm.
minus B square, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Srijit. Thank you. Yeah, Navneet.
Minus AB and plus AB gets cancelled.
Minus 1AB plus 1AB. Minus AB plus AB. A squared minus B squared. Okay, so A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B is equal to A squared minus B squared. Or A squared minus B squared is equal to A plus B into A minus B. Right? Hmm? Same thing as?
Last chapter, same concept.
Yeah, yeah. So it is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x into x plus b
Plus B
plus a into x plus b. So between these two terms, what is common? X.
BX and D.
Yeah, what's common? X is common.
X, ma'am. X, ma'am.
Yeah, so in the bracket you should write b plus a. Because b into x is bx, a into x is ax.
Mom, why are we writing this?
Also, we'll be using this in expanding, in finding the products. Then you'll understand. So this can be written as x squared plus a plus b of x plus ab.
Mom, why can't we use the X? It's like
Yeah, you can write x in the front also. Yeah. So this is another algebraic identity. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x squared plus a plus b of x plus ab. X squared plus a plus b of x plus ab. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, can this be written as something the whole square? The two brackets have different expressions. See, if it is a plus b into a plus b, you can write it as a plus b the whole square. See, supposing we had 3a cubed minus 5b into 3a cubed minus 5b. Then this can be treated as, then we can be taken, this can be written as 3a cubed minus 5b the whole square. If supposing, if this was the question, 3a cubed minus 5b into 3a cubed minus 5b, find the product. What's the heading? Find the product. Okay. So if it was 3a cubed minus 5b into 3a cubed minus 5b, you can write it as 3a cubed minus 5b the whole square. And you can use the identity a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square to find the product. But here,
Use third identity.
no, not the third one.
We produce x plus a and 4.
Correct. We need to use a fourth identity. Yes. So now this is of the form, this one is of the form x.
Should take as common, right?
Okay, okay. Thank you. Yes. So this should be worked using the identity x plus a into x plus b is equal to x squared plus a plus b of x plus ab, where compare, where x is what, children? Compare. See here,
3a cube.
see here,
3a
children.
cube, ma'am.
3x is 3a cubed plus a is minus 5b, where x is equal to 3a cubed and plus a is minus 5b. So a is minus 5b because it's plus a. Plus a is equal to minus 5b. Plus a is minus 5b. That means a is minus 5b. A is equal to minus 5b. Then what is this? X 3a cubed and b is 7b. B is equal to 7b. Or if you feel what is this b is equal to 7b, you can use an arrow. You can use an arrow like this. Instead of the equal to sign, you can just use an arrow like this, where x means 3a cubed, a is this and b is this. You're comparing. 1 minute. I'll just make it more clear. See here. Please see here. 3a cubed minus 5b into 3a cubed plus 7b. Listen. Now, why did we use this identity x plus a into x plus b? Because you see, in x plus a and x plus b, the first term is x, right? In both the brackets, the first term is the same. The first term is the same, x. Here also, 3a cubed, 3a cubed. In both the brackets, the first term is the same. And here, a, b, the second terms are different. Here also, second terms are different. In x plus a into x plus b, what do you understand? The first bracket has two terms, the second bracket has two terms. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
First bracket has two terms, second bracket has two terms. Now, in both the brackets, the first term is the same, x. The second terms are different. Now, see if this and this can be related. The question here. Now, this bracket has two terms like this. Okay. Like this one, this bracket has two terms, no? Yes. Like this one, this bracket has two terms. Okay. One part is verified. Now, second part. Is the first term the same in both the brackets?
Yes,
yes, the first term is the same in both the brackets. Okay, second part.
term.
Okay. Then second terms are different. Like because A, B, second terms are different. Yeah, second terms are different.
Ma'am, but there's a minus, ma'am.
Yeah, there is a minus. Yeah, there's a minus. Correct. Okay. Now when you compare, yeah, that's what I'm using. When you compare this given, expression with x plus a into x plus b, what do you see? X is equal to 3a cube. X is equal to 3a cube. Plus a is minus 5b. So that means a is minus 5b. A is, supposing it was x minus a here. Supposing it was x minus a, for example. That means minus a is equal to minus 5b. So minus and minus will get cancelled. A will be 5B. Okay. Yeah. But here it is plus A. Plus A is equal to minus 5B. So A is equal to minus 5B. And here plus B is equal to plus 7B. So B is 7B. Okay. So X is X is 3A cubed, A is minus 5B, and B is 7B. Okay. Now let's use this identity and find the product. So what should you write first? X, this is the product. See, if the question looks like this, children, if the question looks like this, then this is the answer. This is the answer. An identity has both question and answer in it. An identity has both question and answer in it. If one part of the identity is the question, the other part of the identity is the answer. That is, if LHS is the question, then RHS is the answer. If RHS is the question, then LHS is the answer. So an identity has both. It has the question and answer. So now the given question looks like what? X plus A into X plus B. The given question looks like X plus A into X plus B. So what's the answer? The answer is X squared plus A plus B of X plus AB. So that's what we need to work. Okay. So you need to write X squared. What is X? See, X squared plus A plus B of X. Then plus AB. This is your answer. See, I've used empty bracket. See here. This is the answer, right? This is the answer. This is the question. So you should write X squared. But what is X? 3A cubed. X squared plus. Why plus? Because in the identity it is plus. Whatever sign is in the identity, you should write that plus. A plus B. What is A? 3A cubed. Plus B. So sorry, A is not. Sorry. What is A? Minus 5B. Minus 5B. A plus B. What is B? Plus 7B. Of X. What is X? 3A cubed. Then plus A into B. What is A? Minus 5B. Into B is 7B. Now simplify this. 3 squared is 9. A cubed the whole square. Multiply the powers. A to the power 6 plus 2B into 3A cubed You're not able to see the screen, Navneet? You completed, is it? No. That he'll take it with me. You have any doubt? No. That's it.
A plus B and B plus A both are same.
A plus B and
B plus C.
yeah. A plus B, B plus C, both are the same.
But then if it's negative minus 5 plus 7, it's 2 plus 7 plus 9.
They're the same. All right? Okay. Done, all of you? Online children completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
How 3 cube to the power 2 becomes 9 to the power 6?
Okay, it is 3a cubed into 3a cubed, right? 3a cubed into 3a cubed. So 3 3s are 9. A cubed into a cubed. Add the powers. 3 plus 3, 6. Your tendency to help your friend is appreciated, but let them take the initiative to ask me. Yeah, any questions, Navneet? No. Okay. Yeah, work this. No, I'll take it as a minus 3. Take it as a minus 3. No, I think I'm changing the numbers. Once again. I just want to change this number. 1 second. Let me make it minus 11. Yes, final question. No more changes. There is no race. Huh?
Last.
Final change in the question. We have many more questions to come. No. Yeah. Finished?
Then x square is 2x, no?
Sorry?
X square is 2x.
X square is not 2x. Yeah, Harni, give me a book. Yeah, identify B and give me a book. plus A is minus 4. So A is minus 4 and B is minus 11. You're right, but the sign you've not written. Okay. Yeah, I'll just work it, see.
How can I say that?
No, one second. No, see, we need to make sure all of us have understood, right? Yeah. So the identity is x plus A into x plus B, because in the question expression, we see two brackets, wherein the first term, the two brackets with two terms each. Each bracket has two terms. And the first term is the same in both the brackets. So see here, we have two brackets, two terms each, x plus A, x plus B, two terms. And the first term is the same in both the bracket, xx. The second terms are different, AB minus 4 minus 11. So x plus A into x plus B is equal to x squared plus A plus B of x plus AB, where what is x? X squared by 5. What is A? Minus 4, because plus A is equal to minus 4. Plus A means A. A is equal to minus 4. There itself you're getting it. See, plus A means A. A is equal to minus 4. So A is minus 4. Plus B is equal to minus 7. So B is minus 11. X is x squared by 5. A is minus 4. B is minus 11. Now, the question is like this. This is the question part. So this is the answer. Navneet, when I'm explaining, you're supposed to look at the screen. Stop working. You were given time to work, right? Okay. So the given question is of this form. So the answer should be of this form. All right. So what will be the answer? X squared. What is x? X, see, you should write x and square it. But what is x? X squared by 5. X squared by 5. See, the identity is like like a map. It'll guide you as to what to do. Okay. In the identity, for x, you should substitute something. For A, something, and B, something. You should not write x as x, A as A, and B as B. Then you will just write the identity. You're taking help of the identity. You should replace x with a different expression, A and B with different expressions. So what is x? See, x is square. What is x? X squared by 5. This one squared. Because you should write x and square it. X is squared. So this one squared. Then what's the sign here? Plus. Put the same sign. Plus. Then A plus B, in the bracket A plus B. Okay. So what is A? What is A? Minus 4. Plus B. So it'll be plus minus 7. So it's minus 11. Plus minus 11. So you can directly write minus 11. Then see here, close the bracket. So you also close the bracket. Then what is it here? X. Don't write X. What is X? X squared by 5. In the identity for X, you should write something. For A, something, and B, something. Then in the identity, what's the sign? Plus. So you also put plus. A into B. What is A into B? Minus 4 into minus 11. Now simplify. Now we have substituted. We've made use of the identity and substituted. Now no more looking at the identity. Now you should simplify. Simplify.
X to the power 4 divided by 25.
Divided by 25.
Plus
Let's simplify slowly. Minus 15 into x squared by 5.
X squared by 5.
Then minus into minus plus. Minus into minus 5 plus 44. Plus 44. Here you can cancel. Within this you can cancel. 5 ones are, 5 threes are. You can cancel. I'll write the next step here. X to the power 4 by 25 plus not plus, minus. Minus 3x square plus 44, correct? Because
Yes, ma'am.
5 ones are 5 threes are minus into
Yeah,
plus
ma'am.
minus 3x square plus 44.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay. Completed, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Right on. Next one. I want all of you to listen to this. Now look at the two brackets. We have the same expression in both the brackets. 2m cube minus n to the power 4 into 2m cube minus n to the power 4. We have the same expression in both the brackets. So this is not express A into express B. We have the same expression in both the brackets. It's like A minus B into A minus B. It's like A minus B the whole square. It's A minus B into A minus B because same terms. So the question can be written as 2m cubed minus n to the power 4 the whole square. So you can write, no, you're not listening to me, all of you. See, this is the question. You can write the question itself like this. A minus B into A minus B is A minus B the whole square. Now this one, the identity, A minus B the whole square is equal to A squared minus 2AB plus B squared, right? So what is, which part of the identity is like the question? Which is the question here? See, this is the question. This one is the question. This is the question. We wrote the question. We have written the question as 2m cubed minus n to the power 4 the whole square. This is the question. Now this is the identity where this is the question part. This one the whole square. So a minus b the whole square. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is a when you compare? When you compare, what is a? This is a.
And 2m.
This is a
2m
minus. This is b. Because 2m cubed minus n to the power 4 the whole square. See, compare a minus b the whole square. A is equal to 2m cubed. Minus b is equal to minus n to the power 4. Minus b is equal to minus n to the power 4. So minus and minus cancel. B is n to the power 4. When you compare, see, for minus there is minus. So leave that. B is n to the power 4. Like minus b is minus n to the power 4. So minus and minus will cancel. B is n to the power 4. Okay. So this is the question and this is the answer. Now see, what should I write in the first bracket? A squared. So this one, this is A squared minus, minus from the identity here, minus. Then 2AB, 2 into what is A? 2m cubed into B, n to the power 4. Then see, from the identity, I'm taking the sign plus, plus, B squared. B is this one squared. Now simplify this. 2m cubed into 2m cubed. 2 2s are 4. M cubed into m cubed is m to the power 6. 2m cubed, the whole square means 2m cubed into 2m cubed. 2 to the 4, m cubed into m cubed is m to the power 6. So then minus 4 m cubed into the power 4 plus n to the power 8. Multiply the powers.
Completed.
Yeah, good.
The last 9 or 9.
950. Okay, next one. Done, Harani? Okay, finish it. Yeah, next one. What is x cubed plus y cubed into x cubed plus y cubed? Same thing. So it is x cubed plus y cubed
It goes to the whole power 2.
whole square. This is the question. Yeah. X cubed plus y cubed into x cubed plus y cubed means x cubed plus y cubed the whole square. So which identity to use?
Ma'am, A square plus 2AB plus 2B.
A plus b the whole squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Where what is a?
X to the power 3.
And what is b?
Ma'am, y to the power 3.
Yeah, complete. So Sahasra, in the identity, which part of the identity is like the question?
What, ma'am?
Which part of the identity is like the question?
I didn't understand the question,
Okay,
ma'am.
who can answer my question? Which part of the identity is like the question? A plus b the whole square. The question is of the form a plus b the whole square. So what will be the answer? A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Correct. The question is x cubed plus y cubed the whole square. Now this is of the form a plus b the whole square. So the question is of the form a plus b the whole square. What's the answer? Answer is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Yeah, Sahasra?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me. How do you work the answer?
X cube to the power to the whole power square.
Yeah, 1 minute, just a minute. So we'll just put empty brackets first. So we have to write a here, no? A, 1 second, Sahasra. So we'll first use empty brackets, children. What's the answer? A squared. So I have to write a here, squared. See, this is the answer. This is the answer. A bracket I put for a squared. Then this plus sign, plus. In bracket, I'm writing 2, this 2 into, I have to write A and B. A into B I have to write. Then plus. Then B squared. So bracket squared. So I have to write B here, B squared. This is A squared. So what is A? X cube.
X cube.
Fill in the dashes, fill in the blanks now.
X cube. Next one also X cube. X cube. Y cube.
X cube,
Okay.
Y cube.
X cube.
So let me put the dash in the first place itself. So it is like this. It is A, this is A squared plus 2 into A into B plus B squared. So what is A?
X
Ma'am, X
X
cube.
cube. 2AB.
X cube.
Ma'am, X cube, Y cube. Ma'am, Y cube.
X to the power.
Ma'am, X to the power 6 plus 2x 3
Y cube. Plus Y to the power
Y to the power 6.
Correct. Very good. 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 Write down all of you. Okay. Next one.
Can we do this by
You've been doing that only, no, all the while.
you like you really like immediately start.
Oh, that way, see, you understand him better. Okay, you don't want me to start the answer talk.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, fine. Sorry.
You will find out.
Okay, yeah. Okay, let's check if you've identified the identity correctly. Harini, which identity? Into yourself, which identity? That one or different?
That one.
You, Avanish?
So A plus B into A minus B is into A minus B plus B minus A B into
No, Navni?
A square minus B square.
No, that's not identities. You should say both the LHS and the RHS.
First identity. Ma'am, A plus B bracket
A plus B into.
A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square A square minus B square.
Okay. Having
First identity.
different. Okay,
I
I'll tell
tell
you.
it clearly. Oh, ma'am, it is third identity.
Okay. Online children. Which identity?
Third identity, ma'am.
That is A plus B into A minus B, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Very good. Harini also. Very good. That's right. You said the same thing?
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good. Good. Dhanvan was a little excited, so you went wrong. Good. Navneet, here, Avnish, Harini, and Shrikant. Okay, so see, we have the same terms. First terms are the same, second terms are the same, plus minus. First terms are the same, second terms are the same. Yeah. Okay, so the given question is of the form A plus B into A minus B. The question is of this form. So what is the answer? A squared minus B squared is the answer. Where? What is A? What is A? 3p square by Q. And what is B? X to the power 4 by y to the power 5. So now write the answer is equal to a squared minus b squared.
Can we tell the final answer?
Once again, a squared minus b squared. Yeah, what should I substitute in the bracket here?
3p to the power 4.
3p. What should I put in the bracket?
Square by q.
In this bracket?
Y x to the power 4 by y to the power 5.
Yeah. So how do we simplify this? 3p squared by q into 3p squared by q. So 3 3s are 9. P squared into p squared is p to the power 4 by q squared. Did you get this, Navneet?
Ma'am, for me, correct.
Very good. Give me a book. Let me see what you've done.
Ma'am, we put the 3 by here.
Only the p power he changed. Something in the bracket is squared. Everything in the bracket is squared. 3 squared, 9. P squared, the whole squared, p to the power 4. Q squared. Q is in the denominator, q squared is, meaning q the whole square is q squared. Minus x to the power 4, the whole squared, x to the power 8. By y
to the power 10.
5, the whole squared, y to the power 10. No, you wrote, in the first place you wrote 16 and 25, is it?
No.
It's okay. No, I'll tell you one more thing. Okay. See, this last part, I repeat, very simple, you know it. See here. Just have to apply what you know correctly. 3p squared by q the whole square. It means multiply the base with itself. What is 5 squared? 5 into 5. In the same way, this 3p squared by q the whole square means what? 3p squared by q into 3p squared by q. This is the meaning. So 3 3s are 9. P squared into p squared, add the powers, p to the power 4 by q into q squared minus x to the power 4 by y to the power 5 into x to the power 4 by y to the power 5. Add the powers, because when it's multiplication, you'll have to add the powers, not multiply the powers. 4 plus 4, 8. X to the power 8 by y to the power 10. That's what we do, no? When we have x to the power 4 the whole square, don't we multiply the powers? 4 to the 8. X power 4 into x power 4. Bases are same, multiplication, add the powers. 4 plus 4, 8. 5 plus 5, 10. This is the final answer. Completed?
Yes,
Online
ma'am.
children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Next heading. This was in one we had 5 subdivisions. This is question number 2. Evaluate. Question number 2. Evaluate using a suitable identity. Evaluate using a suitable identity.
Ma'am, we have to use the last identity, no ma'am. Like எவ்வளவு பண்ணிருக்கேன்னு எனக்கே தெரியும். ஐயோ How was this last question? How many more questions?
One more.
Now completed.
No, not one more actually, 3 more.
Completed now.
So you must write 103 as 100 plus 3 and 104 as 100 plus 4. So now you make the question, Navneet, please listen. So we make the identity look, we make the question look like the identity x plus a into x plus b. 103 into 104 is a question. That does not look like any identity. But the heading is evaluate using a suitable identity. So you need to make the question look like a particular identity. So we write 103 as 100 plus 3 and 104 as 100 plus 4. Now this is of the form x plus a into x plus b. See, we have not changed the question. 103 is 100 plus 3. Yeah. Into 100, 104 is 100 plus 4. We have not changed the question.
Yeah.
But now it looks like the identity x plus a into x plus b is equal to x squared plus a plus b of x plus ab. So this is the question. This is the question. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Where x is 100, a is 3 and b is 4. So the answer is what? X squared plus a plus b of x plus ab. It's numerical, so I'm not explaining anything. So you complete this at home. Just make a note of the question. One. So here you should write 97 as
97, it's 100 minus 3.
100 minus 3. 97.
100 plus 1.
Yeah. 97 should be written as 100 minus 3. And 105 as 100 plus 5.
1000 minus 7.
1000 minus 7 into
1000 plus 2.
1000 plus 2. So it's of the form x plus a into x plus b, where x is 100, a is minus 3, b is 5. Again, x plus a into x plus b, where x is 1000, a is minus 7, b is 2.
B is 2.
Complete this as homework. Made a note of these two questions.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We've also discussed the answer. You just have to complete it.
Yes, ma'am. Just we have to work out, ma'am.
Next one. Now, this is 2, 3. Should I continue 4? Okay, 4. This is the fourth one.
And we are going to do it here, Anna.
No, that's what I mean. Maybe you can leave some space or something if you're very particular about the sequence.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah,
Can you show this?
yeah. Okay. Now do this now. In today's class, today's offline class, best behavior is by Harini and Shrikant.
Yeah.
Shrikant, space, ungath in the phone.
Hello.
Hello? Hello? Ah, ma'am, at my residence, ma'am, 202. Yeah. Ah, இல்ல மேம் மேம் அங்க நான் அங்க இதுல வெயிட் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க கீழே பேஸ்மெண்ட்ல ஏன்னா அமுச்சு விட்டுருவேன் every class I'm going to online children are always good. No, every class I'm going to announce.
Okay.
Yeah.
Star.
Star or stars also. Stars of my class.
Stars.
Yeah, today only 2 stars out of 5 stars. Okay. All right. How do we write this? Online children, Akshita, answer this.
300 minus 4.
Are you Akshita? This is the first thing we need to learn. My question is not for all the students in general, for a particular student. Akshita, yes.
Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, what's the number between 296 and 304?
Multiplication, ma'am.
No. Okay, just see 296, 297, 298, 299, 300, 301, 300. No, not 8, 300. So you must write 296 as 300 minus 4 and 304 as 300 plus 4. Got it now?
Nice.
See, the two numbers are 296 and 304. Now this 300 comes between them, no? Write 296 as 300 minus 4. Because what is 300 minus 4? 296. And 304 is 300 plus 4.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now this of which form? Which identity? Yeah. Akshita?
Ma'am.
One second.
Ma'am, the first identity.
No, tell me the identity. I don't know the first one. Tell me the identity.
1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, a plus b the whole power 2.
No. See here, the terms, yeah. Correct. Others agree with that?
Yes.
Akshita, see here. 300, AA. See, this is like minus b, this is plus b. A minus b into a plus b, isn't it? The two numbers, the numbers are the same in both the brackets.
Okay, ma'am.
A minus b into a plus b is equal to a squared minus b squared, where a is 300 and b is 4. See, minus b is minus 4. That means b is 4. Or plus b is plus 4. B is 4. Whichever you compare, you will get the same thing. Minus b is equal to minus 4. So b is equal to 4. Or if you compare plus b and plus 4, b is equal to 4. A is 300. See, A is 300. A is 300.
899.
So the question is of the form a minus b into a plus b. The answer is a squared minus b squared. Write the answer. A squared minus b squared. A squared 300 squared minus b squared 4 squared.
From 90,000 minus 16 is 89984.
Homework. This one. So in this question, this is the in this question, in the identity, this part is the question. This is the answer. In the identity, see the question is of the form a minus b into a plus b. 300 minus 4 into 300 plus 4. The question 300 minus 4 into 300 plus 4 is of the form a minus b into a plus b. So the answer is a squared minus b squared. 300 squared minus 4 squared. All right, children. That's it for today's session. Thank you so much, online children. You may leave the call.
Thank you. Also, the second and third question also it is homework.
Yeah. Thank you, children.